Hi everyone, this is how you use Sora. It's a really great ebook app that we use, and please recommend us books to um, to add to our collection. So it's really simple. So when you've signed into Google, click on this waffle up here. Once you click on the waffle, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you will see Sora by Overdrive. Click that. Then it will see your loans. It will see what you have checked out. And it might have you sign in again. So you're going to find your school. You can set your nickname. And this is your library, Fremont City School District number 1. Okay? So you can choose any book. So if you click explore, it will show you all of the books that we have in our library. As you can see, we have 340 books. You can pick on any genre you wish. So this looks like a really good book, so I would click on that. I would click on borrow, and it tells you what genres they are over here. And once you click on borrow, you can just simply click through that book and read it like so. You can even expand it and zoom in. Okay, so this is a really good tool to use at school, at home, on your phone. You can use it on your Chromebook or on your iPad, anywhere where you have internet connection. Enjoy.